Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you earn coins for free in the Ask.fm application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should go in the top of your left corner. You will see the three lines. Press on it, and in this page you can see the wallet section. Press on that and it will take you to your profile, and here you can see basically your coin amount that you have. I have no coins yet, but if I want to earn any coins I can just buy with money, obviously, or you can see the second option, which is earn coins. If you press on it, you can just watch an ad basically, and you see that you get 20 coins for that. Another way of getting coins is by others rewarding you for answers that you post. So pretty much this is the two ways to earn coins freely. If you don't really like these methods, you can just buy it with money if you would really like to have some. So yeah, essentially this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.